Hey, beautiful people, Jaja here. Welcome to my Make It Over in Minutes, the series where I show you quick, easy, and budget friendly ideas on how to elevate your space without spending all day or all your money. So let's get started. Okay, guys, how many of you have projects that you started but you never finished? Okay, don't everybody raise their hands at once. But guess what, guys? I'm in the same boat. I created the Make It Over a Minute series in order to challenge myself to get all of my pending projects done. And guys, I have a lot of pending projects. So my goal is to wrap up most, or if not all, of my projects by the time the fall season kicks in. So guys, if you are interested, why not come along with me? I would love to have you to be a part of the Make It Over in Minutes series. So if you're interested, drop a comment and say, I'm in. So guys, I am going to flip this camera around and I'm going to show you all the things that I need to accomplish by the end of September. I'll be back. Okay, guys, one of the first areas that I want to address is my kitchen. I have several small projects that I have started and I didn't complete. So on the wall where you see my artwork, the goal was for me to paint that a different color because the kitchen is white, and I decided that I wanted to paint just this wall to make it like an accent wall, and I never got around to it. So what I think I'm going to do is the color that I painted my bed is called Truly Olive. That's the color I think I'm going to be using to paint this wall. Also, right here on my ledge, I used chalk paint, but I never sealed it. So I'm going to have to go back and repaint this and seal it with varnish. So that's another project. Then my curtains, I didn't do anything to them. I just cut it right off the bolt. I'm gonna stand back some so you guys can see it. Maybe that's not so good. I cut it right off the bolt and I just hung it up there. So I'm gonna finish the curtains and make them look nice, guys. I'm gonna actually sew them and then I hang them back up so they'll look really nice. And I think the last project that I wanna do in the kitchen is take care of my shelves. There's a lot going on up there, guys. So I am going to either use the containers that I already have, or I'm going to see if I can find some at the Dollar Tree that I could use. Also, the top of my refrigerator is another project that I want to tackle. So that's it for the kitchen. Okay, my next area that I would like to tackle is, I call it my catch-all area, guys. This area right here is just a lot going on. I have camera stuff here. I have artwork here. In that bin, I have fabric samples, and in the cubbies, it's just a variety of things that I need to get under control and have this nice. I'm thinking that this portion right here, I may cover until I can actually find the bins that I really like. And then I will use this corner piece as the place where I have decorative items to make it kind of nice. I'm going to be removing my printer and my air purifier. All of that will be removed. But see, I have to find a place to put all this stuff because I just really need for this to be nice and uncluttered and pleasing to the eye. And finally, guys, the last place that I need to tackle is my patio. And I have several projects out here that I need to take care of. So I'm just going to take you around the patio and kind of point out some of the things that I am going to be doing. The first thing I'm going to do is clear out some of these boxes and all the stuff that I'm not using. I'm going to get rid of it. And then I am going to add some kind of covering to the table. So these curtains are, guys, they are just made from painter's drop cloths. And they work wonderful when you don't want to look out or you don't want anyone to look in. So the curtains will take up a good portion of the project, but it'll be okay. I'm also going to dress my table up. Deal with all of the stuff that is behind that curtain. Guys, I cannot pull that back because there's so much stuff there. It's just unbelievable. Actually, the door to my laundry room, and I dare not open that up because something may fall out. I'm going to have to work on this area here. This is just stuff that I just shoved on the shelf because I didn't have enough space in my laundry room. So I'm definitely going to be working on that. I am going to give this table, this bar cart, a makeover. And I may move it from here. I'm not sure, guys. I'll just have to see. I'm thinking about refreshing the light, just adding a fresh coat of paint to it. I think that'll make a world of difference. And I also want to paint the front door. So there you have it, guys. A laundry list of all the projects that I need to complete by September the 30th. So guys, as I said earlier, if you're interested in joining me, why not go ahead and drop a comment and say I'm in, and we can do this together. So guys, next week I will be back with a completed project. So stay tuned. Have a great day, and I'll chat soon.